So here's interesting app which is called Chai Chat with AI Bots. It's a super interesting concept, and basically let's just do a quick preview for you to help to understand how this app works. Um, so basically, you can just create an account and then you have a lot of chats, but these chats are not real people. These are just AI bots, which are just using some AI model, and the more you chat with them, the better your conversation is. And it's very addictive app. Sometimes the quality of the chats is not that good. You can easily see that these are bots. Sometimes the chats are actually pretty good. And if you get into this process, you can really see that it's addictive, and you just like chatting with the bots, but you don't really see that these are bots. So here's the app. You can create your account easily with Google, Apple, Facebook. Then you just present it with this option to subscribe. So it's $134.99 per year or $13.99 per month. So these are the options. But let's just go through what's available in the free version. Swipe left for more. So that's basically it. And then there are like different. Then you just have different bots here. Then you can just talk with them. You can just swipe left or right. You can just send some reactions, some emojis. You can also enter some feedback on the bot or something. And then you can just write more and stuff like that. And then you will just see some replies. So yeah, sometimes it's not that good. But sometimes it's quite logical conversation, and then you can just chat more and more. And that's like, it really can become addictive. Yeah, depending on. So yeah, and then you can also add friends here. Add friends by the friend code. You can also get linked to the chat and invite your friends, and then you can chat together with the bot. So you can have like multi-chat with the bot, and it's also like super funny. So then there's all your chats here. Then you have all some bots which are like streaming. So streaming means that you can see some other people chats. So you can just go to live, and then you can just start streaming. You can see all the different chats with like different people participating, and how they're like performing their chats and how the conversation is going. So you can just join that by different topics, and that's basically how it works. Then you can see all the different chats here as well. In the search, you can search by keyword. So maybe you want to find some specific bot or some specific topic, or all of that. Then there is your account. You can see the one limitation here is that there's only 100 free messages. So I just see that, so 100 free messages, but they reset every 8 hours. So actually in the 24 hours in a day, you can get like 300 free messages. But then to upgrade, you could just tap the button, and if you upgrade, you get unlimited messages. People are constantly complaining that 100 messages is not enough for 8 hours, even for 8 hours, because you need to wait and you need just to chat, especially if you're getting addicted to this app and you're just trying to entertain yourself and spending some time with this app. 100 messages is not really enough, so you just need to subscribe, or just write 100 messages, 8 hours, and then write again. So that's basically it. So here it is. So you can also delete your account if you don't want to change your name, upload your profile picture, and that's it. You can also share your friend code. You just copy that, and then just you can reload that, and then just invite your friends so they can add you in their chats. So that's basically app idea. There are a bunch of other apps in this space, But yeah, it's kind of cool. Like you just dependent on the bot. Hopefully they will improve the quality of the bots in future, and there will be more and more bots. So yeah, that should be the idea. But yeah, so far this is how the app looks like. Hope it was helpful.